Job of the day. I'm at SNK. I need to extend a tongue on a landscape trailer. So I need to get some tubing cut for myself, but I also need some flat straps. I need to find scrap remnant steel for a brace. That's what I'm working on today. I didn't find anything on the remnants, so I'm gonna have them cut me some fresh steel. Thank you, sir.
All right, how you doing?
You too. Big boy. I'm gonna see if I can grab my Miller 215 MP out of jail. It's getting repaired. See if he's open today. He was closed for 2 weeks. And it was under warranty. I got her out. It was a PCB board. If you ever need anything, any welders repaired, all phase welder. And last stop before I gotta go to my customers. There, I got my adjustable coupler. I got my safety chain mounts, safety chains, a new jack. And I believe I got, oh, he lost his key, so I gotta put a new latch on there. He might actually match, so I might get lucky today. I think I got lucky. LL71, LL71. Will the key go in? Hey, look at that. Oh, how many times has this been hit? I need a pry bar to open that. Well, it's stuck and not working, so drill out these rivets and put a new one in. One little piece went behind the lever. All right. I'm gonna extend this tongue a foot, so he has a 4-foot tongue, because his flatbed on that truck with the motorcycle hauling attachment goes in, like, it's probably about 3 inches from this box here. So we need to bring this out a foot, but first I'm gonna work on wiring in. He wants flashing lights, so I bought a flashing light kit. All right, this is the outside markers. These are only amber strobes. I called Wicked Warnings for a simple wiring diagram, because on his demo video it showed that he had a bunch of different styles of how he wired it up, but he never actually showed the wiring, so I called over. Dude was an absolute fucking dickhead. So I'm never buying these again, but I'm gonna make these work for my customer because I want them to look good. Yeah, dude made a demo video on how everything works and then didn't put the wiring, how he did the wiring. So I'm gonna figure out how to do the wiring. I'm gonna mount them here so they're nice and bright, shining out towards this side. I do need to weld on a piece here because I got a big LED strobe light that needs to go there. I need to figure out how I'm gonna do that, but I'm putting these ones on the back first. And I'll put these on with some self-tappers. The wiring for the outside smaller amber blinking is ran down the trailer. I need to figure out how I want to mount these. I do think I'm gonna have to weld a piece onto the upright here, or just come off of this support and come straight up. I think I want them sitting about right here. And if that's the case, I need to get some, I'd say some 1x2 tubing. I think we just go off of that and match this so it clears that. I think that's the best way to do it. And then cars will be able to see it from the rear. Then the outside here is also gonna be strobing. That way he's safer loading up vehicles at night. Yeah, I think I'll do 1x2 tubing. 2 1x2 tubings at 36 inches. And it'll be high enough so cars in the back can see them from the rear when they're loading their motorcycles into this. I got the new latch on there temporarily. I'm gonna rivet it on when I get everything finished up though. I'm gonna swing back tomorrow, do the extension on the tongue, and do the mounting for the lights. And I'm trying to figure out how I wanna do this for tomorrow to extend his tongue. I've got this piece of tubing. I need to cut this coupler off. I'm thinking about just slotting it in to the end of this so I don't have to move this terminal box. Got a bunch of stuff to weld to. That means I need to notch out this 4-inch channel and slide that 3x6 quarter into here and extend it out, and I'm putting the adjustable on there. And when I do that, I need to figure out where to put a jack, because this jack's not going to be going right there. Where this tubing sits with the adjustable in the front is 32 inches to to the center of the ball. If I go from the rear of this A-frame coupler 32 inches, that's gonna be way too big. I think we just go 24 inches. And that would give him another foot off of his truck. How much further is this? Roughly 9.5.